So hello guys, welcome back again. For today's video we will do the review of GiantLok's screw seal wire connectors, which is the waterproof one. So let's go guys. So let's do the sample. This is from J&J, and this is the old connectors. So we will try it from J&J. So we have the 0.75 mm squared wire. So we can use the gray one for this. Gray one is a SS-1. Just twist like that until it goes tight. The 4 mm squared wire. So we can use the yellow one for this. Insert the wire and twist. So it's tight already. And we have the 1.5 mm squared. And we will use the blue one for this, SS2. So we have this GiantLok screw seal wire nut. It's a waterproof, and we will try also the old wire nuts. This is the old wire nut. You can use the red one, orange one. 0.75 mm squared. Use the blue one. Four mm squared. So guys, if you are using this one, the old wire nut, you have to put electrical tape to protect your wire for water. So you have to put wire like this, but still it's unsafe. Little bit time, maybe after 1 month, the electrical tape automatically removing itself because of the adhesive or the glue. So this is the old wire nuts. You have to put electrical tape or insulation tape to cover the wire. So this is the old one, but if you are using the GiantLok J&J screw seal, which is high quality and standard also to use in outdoor lights or in your garden, so you can use this one. We will shrink also. You can use, if you have the heat gun, you can use the heat gun for this. sealed already, or else if you don't have the heat gun, you can use, of course, if you're smoking, you can use lighter. You can use lighter. See, there is adhesive which is for the wire protection to prevent water goes inside. So this is from GiantLok, screw seal from J&J, so it's highly sealed. As you can see here, it's totally sealed. Done. The old wire nuts. This is the old wire nuts, which is you require the electrical tape or rubber tape or insulation tape, but this is screw seal from J&J, which is waterproof and standard also. It's easy and strong. It's strong and easy to use. So you just need a heat to hit this shrink tube, so it will become tight and strain. So this is from J&J, and this is from the old, like the old generation of wire nuts. So for me, I prefer to use this product, the waterproof screw seal, which is from J&J Global. So this is the difference between these products. Screw seal from J&J and the old wire nuts, the old generation wire nuts. And they have the push, GiantLok lever push in wire connectors also. It's in standard and safe to use as well. So compared to the old connector, this is more easier than this connector. This is GiantLok lever push in wire connectors. It's available on 2, 3, 4 and 5 ports. So this is good for looping than this one. So even though you can use this one, but it's more easier than this one. So we will do the sample for this. This GiantLok lever push in wire connector is easy to use. All you have to do is to lift the lever up, and the connectors are open. So we will put our wire. Just insert the wire and push back, and insert the wire and push back the lever. So it's strong enough. It's very strong and safe. So you don't need to use electrical tape for this. It's very safe to use. And also it's strong. So they have the 2, 3, 4, 5 ports for this wire connector. So I will use also in my next vlog for this connector. They have also 2 ports. You can check also there are 2 ports. Open the lever, insert the wire and push back the lever. It's very strong, guys. Even I cannot remove this one. And then it's easy also to open. It's easy to remove. If you want to remove the wire, you can lift the lever like this and pull the wire. Lift the lever and pull the wire. So this is GiantLok lever push in wire connectors. So guys, for more information about their products, you can visit their website or in YouTube channel on the link in the description. And also you can place your order in Amazon. It's available on Amazon through online. And special thanks to Mr. J. Chu of JJ Global. Thank you very much, sir, for trusting, and stay safe.